For more advanced and challenging workouts, or to isolate and train specific muscle groups, you may want to execute some of these exercises with only one hand. Here, the full swing drill is being practiced by alternating only the left or right hand on the grip. Be sure to perform the selected exercises with each hand and in both directions to ensure that both sides of the body are challenged equally. By targeting one muscle group at a time in this way, it's very easy to feel the isolated burn and know your workout is achieving a golf-specific result.